O kaya naman
Okay.
second tour ng SM Molino.
Too late. There was an accident here. The tricycle, the motorcycle, the pedicab.
May damage yung motor ng ano.
Oh gosh.
Isa oh. Basag no?
So there was an accident. The
Pareho naman sila nasa gitna ng lane eh.
the motorcycle hit that pedicab.
Sa gitna sila eh.
Oh gosh.
Video mo, baka medyo cameraman tayo.
Too bad I didn't get that action on video. I decided to stop the video just a few minutes ago.
Where advertising works.
Well, let's hope something new will happen again. So I'm gonna keep the video rolling so that we'll be able to capture everything. Anyway,
It's effective and safe.
I'll just stop the video now.
Pure gold ng ano.